Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the controls on Forza Horizon 5. So all you have to do is pause the game by pressing the button with the 3 lines on your Xbox controller if you're using Xbox, or if you're using PC, simply press the escape button on your keyboard, and then from here select settings, and then scroll down and choose controls, and then select change input mapping. So you can see there are two options. There's the controller and the wheel version. So if you have a wheel, you can select wheel and customize your wheel to suit your needs. If you have the controller, simply come to the controller, and then now you can see the layout option, or rather the preset option. So there are a couple of presets you can choose from. So this is the default layout one. So there are a couple of options, or rather presets you can choose from. So there are about 16 of them. So find the preset you'd like and select it. But for instance, if you want to remap the entire controls from scratch, scroll all the way to Custom Controller Pro. And then from here, now you can customize your controls to suit your needs. So you can select, let's say for example, if you want to change accelerate, you can choose that and choose the button you'd like to use. The same goes for brake and all the other controls that you'd like to change. Once you have done changing all the controls, simply press the save button on your controller or in your PC. So for Xbox is the button with 3 lines on the controller, and for PC it should be spacebar. So press it and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it on how to customize your controls on Forza Horizon 5. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.